Hey everyone, I'm iAeronautico. Welcome aboard this exciting journey. Now that we're a bit acquainted, let's dive into what we're going to do here. Sometimes aerospace systems engineering can sound pretty intimidating, right? It's filled with thick manuals, mind-boggling diagrams, and English terms that seem like tongue twisters. But I want you to shake off that fear right now, because my mission is to show you that it's not like that at all. In this course, we're going to dissect the airplane, but we'll do it in a logical and totally digestible way. It's not about memorizing wires for the sake of it or cramming a list of components. It's about understanding the machine's personality, seeing it as a living, connected system. We'll start from the basics, the fundamental physics that keeps us in the air, and that anyone can grasp, right up to complex systems like fly-by-wire or jet engines that seem like pure magic. We'll take it step by step, using clear language and practical examples that will make you say, "Oh, now I get it." To get the most out of this course, I need to ask you for a small favor. Switch your mindset. I don't want you to study this just to pass an exam or memorize facts for an interview. I want you to approach it with a systems thinking mentality. What does that mean? It means don't view the parts as isolated elements, but as an interconnected whole. A seemingly minor failure in the electrical system can affect the hydraulic system, which in turn radically changes how the airplane behaves in flight. That's the right approach, connecting the dots, understanding the chain of cause and effect. If you apply what you learn here with that mindset, the potential results you can achieve are huge. Not only will you have a technical knowledge that's way above average, but you'll also develop a safety mindset and critical analysis skills that are highly valued throughout the aerospace industry. It doesn't matter if your goal is to fly, repair aircraft, design them, or if you're just a passionate enthusiast. You'll understand the why behind every procedure, every warning light, and every decision in the cockpit. And trust me, that's exactly what sets a casual hobbyist apart from a true expert. Now, let's talk logistics, because you're probably wondering, do I need to buy expensive simulators or thousands of dollars worth of manuals to follow this course? The short and sweet answer is no, not at all. I've designed the entire program so you can complete it and fully understand it using tools and documentation that are totally free online. During the course, we'll use high-quality open-source simulators and freely accessible manuals for all the practical exercises. So don't worry about the money at all. You don't have to spend a single cent right now to start learning. However, here's my friendly recommendation. As you progress and feel more comfortable with the topics, I'll suggest you consider getting the Pro, or paid versions of certain simulation tools and technical libraries. It's not mandatory, I insist, but the difference in realism and data depth will help you fine-tune things in the future and take a qualitative leap. But for now, with all the free resources at our disposal, we've got more than enough runway to take off with power. Finally, I want you to know something super important. You're not alone in this learning process. It's completely normal to have questions when studying such complex systems. In fact, having questions is a good sign because it means you're paying attention and digging deeper into the content. I'll be here, keeping an eye on your progress every step of the way. How will we make this effective? Super easy. Right below each video, you'll find a comment box. If something isn't clear, if an explanation raises a new question, or if you just want clarification, drop it in there without hesitation. I just ask you for two simple things to help me help you the best way possible. First, be specific. Instead of writing a generic comment like, "I didn't understand," try to detail a bit more, for example. "Daniel, I didn't get what happens with the purge valve X at minute 520 when you talk about the pneumatic system." That way, I can give you a direct, useful answer that truly resolves your doubt. And second, a little patience. I'll be actively responding to all questions Monday through Friday. On weekends, I take time to recharge and create the highest quality content for you. So, no fear. Ask anything you need. We're in this together.